Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftylity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this magical quilling rose inspired by Beauty and a Beast. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So we'll start with taking a card paper or any drawing paper if needed. And I have traced the outline of the design on a paper for a reference. Now I am using oil pastel color and I am coloring the glass jar using this turquoise blue color. You can also paint if you want, but I am using a oil pastel color for this project. Once coloring is done, take a tissue paper and then fold it and start rubbing it on the color to make it smooth. You can see the difference. Now I am using a red color to color the rose. Now take a tissue paper and then smoothen it. As this rose is inspired by Beauty and a Beast, a rose which is kept in magical jar. So jar is ready, rose is ready. Now it's time for a few fallen petal of roses. For this project, I am using 3 mm quilling strip. Now take the strip and measure it and then cut, shape and then glue it. Paper quilling is beautiful art, and if you are a beginner, don't worry. You can create a beautiful design by just following few steps and keep on practicing. Roses are really very special. You can check out my other tutorial of paper quilling rose by clicking top right link. 7 inches of yellow quilling strip, which is 3 mm, and create a tight coil. Create many more tight coils and then stick it on the top of the jar. Again, take 7 inches of yellow quilling strip and create a eye-like shape. Take 2 quilling strips, one of golden yellow and one of mango yellow color, each of 17 inches. Glue both the strips together and create a teardrop shape. Now take mango yellow color quilling strip of 17 inches and golden yellow color of quilling strip of 9 inches. Glue both the strips together and then create a curved teardrop shape. So this project is completed. I hope you like this video. See you in other videos. Till then, happy quilling!